is a book writing workbook that helps you write your own story. It's going to help you brand yourself as an expert, and what I like to call it is dream it, write it, brand it. So you start with a dream, you start to write your book, and you're going to brand yourself. Entrepreneurs, coaches, speakers, so someone that already has their own business and they want to take it to the next level with either speaking or with media and with other marketing materials. So I think of it as it's a business card to me, and it's a nice way to meet somebody. And when you let them know, here's my business card, or here's what I do, and you gift them with a book, is another way to, you're just going to make that connection with them, and also it helps to show them exactly what you're all about. There's a very big transformation, and I say that if you don't feel a little bit uncomfortable while you're writing it, you're probably not going deep enough. So you want to go deep enough, you want to reveal enough of yourself. You might not actually reveal it in the book, but you need to go through that process, and then afterwards edit it down and decide exactly what message you want to share.